Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the twisted lace stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip the first stitch of your row. Into this next one, make a double crochet. You're now going to make a double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. So it's going to go over the one you just made. It's going to look like that. Skip the next stitch. Into this next one, make a double crochet. Then again, into the stitch that you skipped, make a double crochet over the one you just made. Skip the next stitch. Into this next one, make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the stitch that you skipped. You're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work a double crochet by itself into that stitch. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. So that's 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 3. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the twisted lace stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.